Lord Shiva on different occasions taught Mother Parvati many lessons. Lord Shiva shared 10 great life lessons with Mother Parvati which are essential to every human and should be obeyed and followed without fail. Number 1. Biggest virtue and biggest sin. When Mother Parvati asked Lord Shiva about the biggest virtue and sin a man can commit, Shiva answered with a Sanskrit shlok, Nasti Satyat Paro Nanritat Patakang Param, meaning the biggest virtue of a man is to be honorable and always be truthful, whilst the biggest sin is to be dishonest or to support such an act. A person should always indulge in acts which are honest and true and does not harm the righteousness of their being. Number 2. Don't listen to your temptations. When Mother Parvati asked Lord Shiva about the reason for all sufferings, Lord Shiva told Parvati that temptations is the only reason for all sufferings. There are 3 types of temptations in world. Number 1. Lust of eyes means materialism, the belief that money and possessions are the most important things in life. Number 2. Lust of body means hedonism, the belief that pleasure is the most important thing in life than anything else. Number 3. Pride of life means egoism, the thinking about yourself too much, thinking that you are better or more important than anyone else. A human being, rather than running for one thing after the other, should rather practice meditation and penance to attain salvation from the cycle of karma and body bondage. Number 3. Attachment is the hindrance to success. When Mother Parvati asked Lord Shiva about what makes a man unsuccessful in his actions, Lord Shiva told that attachment is the root cause of all problems. Attachment and endearment lead to stagnation and hinder success. When you are free of all attachment and temptations of the world, there is nothing that will stop you from achieving success in life. The only way to detach is to train your mind and make it understand the temporariness of this human form. Number 4. Choose your actions wisely. Shiva told Parvati that people should never indulge or associate with any kind of action that involves sin through words, actions and thoughts or mind. Whatever a man reaps is the fruit of what he chose to sow in the first place. His destiny is the result of his actions. So, a person should be very mindful of how they choose their lives and actions. Number 5. Unwanted desires can make a man self-destructive. When Mother Parvati asked Lord Shiva about what makes a man self-destructive, Lord Shiva gives the most important lesson that one should never be obsessed with anything in life. Do not desire much, as desires lead to obsession, and obsessions may ultimately lead to self-destruction. Unwanted desires can make a man self-destructive. Number 6. Your attitude towards the problem that matters. When Mother Parvati asked Lord Shiva about how one can solve any problem in life, Lord Shiva told that one should look beyond the problem. Problem is not a problem, but one's attitude towards the problem can make a difference. We must give our mind enough time to think about the solution to the problem and must perceive the situation from all the aspects. So, stay calm and overcome the problems with understanding. Number 7. Ego destroys intellect. When Mother Parvati asked Lord Shiva about what is it that destroys human intelligence, Lord Shiva told that ego destroys human intelligence. Too much ego makes you stubborn, and when you are stubborn, you don't listen to other people or take their advice. People who may know better than you and are probably more experienced. Your ego could potentially hinder your success, and you could end up getting lost if you keep rejecting any type of guidance you get. Lord Shiva preaches us to live a life without ego because ego leads nowhere, but it takes you away from your own self. Number 8. Materialistic happiness does not stay for longer. When Mother Parvati asked Lord Shiva about what is real happiness and what kind of happiness stay longer and what not, Lord Shiva told that living happily depends on how we are in our inner lives, our thoughts, emotions, beliefs and desires. Having a spiritual dimension means finding a sense of inner peace, both peace of mind and peace in the heart. He added that materialistic happiness is short-lived. If you are not a materialist, you are losing nothing in life. The ash smeared on Lord Shiva's body symbolizes that everything in life is temporary. Number 9. Practice meditation for a focused mind. When Mother Parvati asked Lord Shiva about how one could have a focused mind, Lord Shiva told that for focused mind, a person should practice meditation. With a meditative approach while dealing with versatile situations, he will be able to handle them with a calm mind and he will have better clarity about the subject. Number 10. Time is the most precious thing in the world. Lord Shiva is also known as Mahakaleshwar, the great Lord of Time. When Mother Parvati asked Lord Shiva what is the most precious thing in the world, Lord Shiva told that time is the most precious thing in the world. One must therefore be very careful, selective and determined before giving this precious thing to anyone. That's all, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope you learned something from this inspirational video. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Har Har Mahadev. Hare Krishna.